Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to import multiple Excel file into a Excel file. So I have downloaded multiples 2A from the GST portal and every file has 6 or 7 sheets. Some has data and some doesn't have data. So basically I am going to import this B2B file, and if you want you may import all the files simultaneously. The procedure would be same. So how we can do that? Just go to data tab, get data from file. Now since we are importing all the files, so I am clicking on from folder. Now I need to copy the folder. Here it is, open. So it is importing all the files. So it is showing all the files here. So I'm going to combine and transform the data. So this process will combine all the data of all Excel file in one Excel file. So as you can see, this is my first file showing here. So I am just working on B2B file. Click OK. Now you may see it has some null data, some header. So you need to understand the type of data. Null means blank in Excel. So this is our header. So we need to remove these all the 4 rows. So we can remove this. So we can click on remove rows, top rows. How many rows do you want to remove? I want to remove 4 rows. Click OK. Now this is the header. So I am use first row as header. Now my first row has become header. As I can change this name, file name. Now null means blank. So I am going to remove null also. So I have selected all the GST numbers excluding all the absurd data. Now this is the data, and since GST portal also show the total values, so I am going to remove total here. Now we have combined all the 2A's, so we can just click and load, close and load. And here it is all the 2A in one place. So you may do working on other files also. I have done work on B2B. So keep enjoying and